The move has just started on ARM stock here, guys, after earnings yesterday. We were at $1.91 in the post market after earnings yesterday, but today this thing has come roaring back up all the way to 114. Is this a buy here or is this just a fake out because the whole market has been selling off? So in this video, we'll take a look at, should you be buying ARM stock here? How high can this move continue as we stay in this strengthful structure? And or should you just ignore it? Before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Also, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. If you find my videos helpful and valuable, it helps out the channel a lot and I really appreciate that. Now, ARM has been going down. It did push up a couple of times through this $109. That's an important zone. And this is something I talk with my members as well on Patreon. And so, however, it just always came down, right? Always came down below 109. And that's why is this time an upside confirmed, right? That's the important point to talk about, because what if it just comes down again, right? So the point is that we were approaching on ARM closer to these demand zones, all right? The red line that you are seeing down here is where the price was in the post market yesterday. And it bounced back up, with it coincided that zone with that existing demand zone. So this was ARM for us was already bottoming, and this is one of my on the pick as well that it's a good great buy. If you want to know many other stocks which are really great buys, then join my membership on the Patreon. Links are in the description of this video. Also my tools, if you need access to them, you will find the link to those as well in the description of this video. Now, earnings, there was a little bit of a miss in their earnings, but and also their licensing revenue and all, a little bit of a miss. However, today we had a lot of analysts coming out here, telling like TD Cowen. I'm just gonna talk over on my video, just as about a little bit quickly on these analysts targets. So they did cut the price target a little bit down, but it's maintained at buy. This is by TD Cowen. We also have, outperformed by RBC Capital, and many others analysts have a buy on ARM. The point is that though, after hitting that $91, ARM has come back up and is above that $109 zone. That's only what we care about technically. ARM has regained a structure above $109 here. Okay. And as we stay above $109, we will continue to remain in the bullish structure. It is on the good volume as well, good strong green candle, and it's going opposite to the market. Market is in collapse, guys. S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, it's collapsing. Look at Microsoft, never ending downtrend here, right? And look at the Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin is like, this is gonna go in negative. I think it's not even just going to zero, it's going into the negative. I'm kidding, but you get my point, right? Like the whole market is selling off, but ARM is not. ARM is up 8%, 8.77% at the time of doing this video. ARM stock is definitely a buy from here, and stop loss again could be at 109, and at this point I'll also give it 102. There could be two areas of stop losses on this thing. Okay, how high can we continue? So this is a very range bound stock, but we do have a room to get to $130. I know that's not a huge move, it's still a move. When the market is going down, you're still getting something that's going up, so be happy. 15%, not a bad move, 14.28 technically. And I do consider we may then push up at least a little bit all the way to 138 as well. That will be from current price move to 20.65% almost. Beyond that is yet to be determined in technicals. I would like to see how much the price in the strength goes through, but ARM has a habit of being in the range, and every time it has tested this bottom here, it has tested the high as well at 186 over and over again. That would be a move, implied move of 61%. Again, we need to stay though in the bullish structure, but that's the direction is right now looking like. There, you can't play ARM bearish here. The bias has to be on the bullish side for ARM stock. Okay, things are looking great. Let's see as we continue up. We just want to see tomorrow also a push up and a hold above 109 from here on. It's very important. Now let's just take a look at the, I want to take a look at the semiconductor ETF here, and that is SMH. So this thing is technically not that bad. It's not doing that bad. You can thank Micron and TSM for that because NVIDIA and AMD hasn't been really contributing to it, but the semiconductor in itself altogether is just looking fine. The ETF in itself. But anyhow, guys, ARM, shoot for the upside. Again, just my opinion. Please do your own thing. Nothing is guaranteed here. All right. See you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.